If you make faceless videos using AI-generated images, you already know this struggle. But today I will show you how to go from dragging and adjusting each image on your timeline one by one to do it with just a few clicks. So you made basically all the process assisted with AI. Your script, the audio, the prompts to generate the images ready with their timestamps like this, everything automated. The problem starts the moment you open your editing software, because you still have to go image by image, adding them to the timeline and synchronize each one of them, checking carefully their timestamp, and repeat that over and over for 40, 50, or even more images for every single video. That's why I built Filmora Sync Bot. And you only need two things: a folder with all your images already named with their timestamps, and the base Filmora project with the format needed, the right resolution, and one single image placed on the timeline, just so the tool knows your project structure. And then you open Filmora Sync Bot, select your Filmora project and your images folder, and hit on Generate Project. And that's it. In just a couple of clicks, it generates a new file and you can continue working from there. Here you can see all my images already synchronized with everything I already had in my template untouched. Filmora Sync Bot is already out. The link is in the description and in the first comment. If you have any questions about how to use it, leave them in the comments. Bye!